Hello, I'm Carol Pang, a researcher with the California Child Welfare Indicators Project, or CWIP. Our public website, a collaboration with the California Department of Social Services, provides detailed information about California's child welfare system. This video tutorial will explain how to drill down to access customized data reports from the CWIP website, starting from our home page. Please note that data currently on the site will likely differ from what you see in this video, as we refresh all values each quarter. First, we will access the full list of federal and state measures from the home page by clicking the Measures button. To look at drill down report options, let's select the Child Maltreatment Allegations Child Count measure to walk through as an example. We are now on the first index page for the Child Maltreatment Allegations Child Count report. This report counts each child with a child maltreatment allegation once for each analysis year. If a child has more than one allegation in a specific year, they are counted one time in the category of the most severe occurrence. As with all reports on the CWIP site, further information about how this measure is calculated can be found by clicking the methodology link. The drill down options are available on the first index page for every report. As you can see, there are 4 drill down selections you can choose from. Before we proceed with these selections, we will first describe the ethnicity coding options. For this particular report, we must select which method of ethnicity coding we want to use, either CWS coding or census-based coding. A detailed description of the two methods and the differences between them can be found by clicking the Notes link above these options. For our tutorial, we will use the CWS coding. Now, going back to the 4 drill down options, this video will demonstrate the first option, single time period, single geography. This allows you to look at data for one time period of your choice and for one geographical location. Other drill down report options will be described in subsequent videos. To proceed, click Next at the bottom right of the page. On the second index page, you will notice options to choose different geographical areas, which are described in further detail in the video tutorial Advanced Features. For our current example, let's just take a look at the whole state of California, which is the default option. Moving to the right, select the time period you want from the drop-down box. Let's choose January through December of 2012 to look at data from a recent calendar year. Next, choose whether you would like your data to reflect counts or percentages. Let's select Count for this report. Next, select whether you want to see the data in a table only, in a table and graph, or in a graph only. Let's pick table and graph so we can see what they both look like. Finally, choose which categories you would like the data to be displayed in. For this report, you can choose categories you are interested in examining for both the row and column dimension. Let's select ethnic group as our row dimension and allegation type as our column dimension for this example. If these settings reflect the report you would like, click Finish at the bottom of the page. If you click the Next button, you will be able to apply filters to restrict your results to specific subgroups on the second index page. This feature is described in more detail in the video tutorial Advanced Features. For this example, we will not put any filters on our results. We can now retrieve our report by clicking Finish on the bottom right of the screen. Here's the report that we created based on our customized selections. We are enlarging our video screen so that you can see the report more clearly. We now have table and graph data sorted by ethnic group for the 2012 calendar year for the state of California. You'll notice that you can alter the format of your data from this page. For example, you can display the table only or the graph only. You can also use the links at the top to switch from a count to a percent view. For this report, we have the option of displaying count or percent. However, other reports may have variations on this choice, such as a choice between numerator, denominator, and percent. Finally, you can export tables to Excel or export graphs to Word. To the right, you'll see the Multi-Reports feature. This is described in the video tutorial Advanced Features. This video tutorial oriented you to the features of drill down reports and provided you with instructions on how to move through the CWIP website to create a customized single time period, single geography data report. In our next few tutorials, we will walk you through new examples for the 3 other types of drill down reports. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial.